Hi guys, this is Aiden again, grumpy face, and we're going to review these parking garage playsets. And there's two cars already in there. And there's parking, and there's another parking, and there's another on the the top one. So here's the face at the back, the parking garage playset, and that's what it's look like. And we have the extra cars with the truck. So this is the truck, and the carrier of the trucks. So this is the red car, blue car, and yellow car. Yeah. And let's open now. Yay! Look here. Wow! Whoa! So these all the parts of the car park. There we go. And this is stickers. And this is Jaden. And these are the parts. Okay, Jaden, let's start assemble the car park. Wow! Alright, let's follow these. So the blue one is here, baby. The blue one. Let's put the Metro Town sign in here. Another one in here. Yay! Uh-oh. And the arrow. The arrow is here. Arrow is here. Another one arrow is here. And the purple arrow. The purple arrow is on the second stool. Another one purple arrow hidden. And this petrol. Here's the petrol. Uh-oh. Daddy. Dad, what is your name? Yeah. What's the sound of the dinosaur? Wow. Jaden, look. What's the sound of the dinosaur? And what's the sound of Thomas train? Choo-choo. Very good. Yay. Choo-choo. What's the sound of the train? And the metro train. We're gonna put the metro train. Choo choo. Uh-oh. Put the metro one on the other side. We're gonna put this metro. The metro. Yeah, let's put this one here. Zayden. Put the metro town on the other side. Metro town on the other side. Yay! Alright, there's more. The bricks. Where's the bricks? Go, Zayden. So now it's all finished. Yeah, Zayden, look the camera. It's finished now. And it's open. The second one, look. The second one is car transporter. Open the box. Look, Zayden. Wow. Oh, the car. Let's assemble this car. What? This is the car. Look, the car. And the trailer car. Look. Zayden, look. So that's what it's. Yay! I'm trying to attach the car. Wow! Choo choo! Choo choo! So now we're gonna put all the car here, Zayden. Look. The car park. Yay! Yeah, put all the car park. Put all the car here in the car park. Then look, I park the car here, and there's another one here. Another car here. And another car here. Look, Zayden, look. The car is going to the car park. And it's going on the top. Toot toot. It's going on the top. Look, wow, it's going to the second level. Yay, look, Zayden, whoa, it's going to the top, and then it's going for the drive. It's going in here, and it's going 1, 2, 3, yay, and it's going out here. Now let's go to the next one, Zayden, the next one. In here, and then going on the top. Okay, the blue first. The blue, still blue, and then going up here. Oh, she's gonna look. Wow, and then the blue going there, and it's going down again. Wow! And the yellow one. Put the yellow one here. Put the yellow one. Yay! And then the yellow one goes up. Not the yellow one first, Zayden. Look, the yellow. Yellow. Going up. Going up. Yay! And toot toot. Yellow. Go. It's going there. 1, 1, 2, 3. Yay! And then the next one, the last one, the red. The red one. Okay, go up. The red one is going up. Wow. Wow. Toot toot. And then let's go. 1, 2, 3. Yay. Okay, they're going to the car now, Zayden, for the transportation. They're going for the transport. And this is the big truck. We put the first one here, Zayden, look. So they're going for a transport now. So we put the blue one first. And then we put the trailer. And then we put the red one on the top, Zayden, look. And then the red one inside. And then, no, the red one and then the yellow one here. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Toot toot. Toot toot. Toot toot. Okay, let's go here. Come here, Zayden. Look, you're going for a ride. The truck. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Wow. Okay, Zayden, that's all. So this is all the parking cars. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye to camera. Bye-bye to camera. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to camera. Bye-bye. Zayden, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.